How to add a back button on iPhone. As you might be aware, iPhone is infamous for not having a back button for a quite long time, and you have to tap the cross icon from the top, something like that, to always do that. To make this even convenient, what we will do is we will simply open settings and go to accessibility and go to the option called touch. Now at the touch option, we can see various options over here, right? So we can select back tab. So back tab, we can select double tap, and double tap we can simply select go back option. So if there is a custom action over here like accessibility and other gestures options like app shortcuts and all the options, we can set this to go back, but for some reason they don't have this go back option, right? So now what we will do is we'll come back, go to the top and go to assistive touch. Now from assistive touch, we can simply toggle assistive touch on first of all, and we have this thing rotating over here. Now we can customize it by selecting single tap or double tap. So under custom actions, we can select single tap, and here you can see action button, pass through to app switcher, camera control, and whatever else, or you can select home button to directly select it as a home button. But unfortunately, there will not be a complete back option, just like going back from this page to the previous page. The thing that we can do is we can scroll towards left, scroll towards right, or we can move the menu, slide, tap, or whatever else, but there isn't a regular back button as you would see on Android phones. So you can set this as an app switcher or as a home button menu to be able to add those back buttons. On the recent update, however, you don't have to press this every time to go back. You can simply swipe like this. So you can simply swipe like this to go back. So you can see if I'm going here, I can simply swipe like this to go back to the previous screen. So this was on the recent update, but this does not work on all apps, only on some apps. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. To subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.